Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Word Origins 169. The word origin today is stickler. Okay, let's take a look at the board here. Okay, let's get right into it. If someone says that another person is a stickler, it means this particular person thinks a certain behavior or rule is very important and will always follow it and will often try to force others to do it. Okay, the term is used especially when the other people think this behavior or these rules are not really necessary. And one is showing their annoyance at the fact that they are being pushed or forced to do so, that they're being pushed or forced to do it, and they feel like this person is really kind of like too picky. They're a real stickler. Okay, let's continue. The origin of the word stickler comes from umpires and referees used in wrestling and fencing. Remember, fencing was sword fighting matches. The word derived from the old Anglo-Saxon word shintan that meant to regulate. Okay, good. It was also known that judges at Cornish wrestling matches used to carry sticks while signaling. So maybe this is another reason we used stickler, because maybe they used to signal with the sticks. Okay, let's continue. Many people often mention that the word stickler also has the word stick in it, which kind of implies this. Thus, one sticks to the rules. It kind of suggests or implies that it's kind of a person that really wants to stick to the rules, because we often say that a stickler will stick to the rules too. That's one of the most common ones. And again, we kind of feel like, maybe somebody should, be lax or ease up on certain rules that may not be as important. All right, let's go on. And we got 3 examples here. That English teacher will pick on every incorrect use of a comma, semicolon, hyphen, etc. She is a stickler for grammar. So, maybe she gives out assignments and you're supposed to write, about the meaning of what you're writing about, the topic itself, your ideas, but she'll even pick on a little bit of grammar if you make some little minor grammar mistake. She's a real stickler. All right, let's continue. Yes. Okay. The head editor wants all the writers to check their information. He is a stickler for accuracy. So we often say somebody, again, is a stickler for something. He wants to make sure that all the facts you're putting in the articles are correct, that they are accurate. So they need to be checked and rechecked. Okay, let's go on. Number 3, she is not going to allow you to substitute something else. She is a stickler for the rules, so she sticks very closely to the rules. And again, this is a situation where you feel like they don't really, this is not that big a deal. They could make an exception here, but they're a stickler. They stick very closely to the rules. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.